Today, I'll share some quick observations. I had a video on my channel where I changed various things, including door stoppers, or more precisely, repaired them using a repair kit. So it's been about 2 years since then, and in hot weather, let's say when it's around 25 degrees outside and the car's been sitting in the sun, the doors start to creak a little. Again, it sounds like this. I decided to buy a lubricant from the same manufacturer in this packaging. By the way, this is the second such lubricant I've tried. Before this, I bought one like this, which I absolutely do not recommend at all. When I applied it, the squeak became, well, not exactly bad, but not great either. It became unbearably embarrassing, worse than in old Dragulis that are 45 years old, just a disaster. So I strongly advise against that lubricant. As for this one, let's say, the original one for the door repair kit, it's not all straightforward either. I bought it from Ozone, if I remember correctly, applied it, and the effect was definitely better, quite significantly, but only on 3 doors. That is, 3 out of the 4 doors are completely silent, and the 4th one, it's better in the front, but there's still a slight sound.